Hi, good morning, Becky. Yeah, so Walmart out with results for the holiday quarter. Earnings here beating by 3 cents at $1.53 adjusted. The street was looking for $1.50 on stronger than expected revenue of $152.87 billion compared to $151.53 billion estimated. The company also raising its quarterly dividend by 1 penny to 56 cents a share. This is the first time we've seen $150 billion in revenue for a quarter, and the first time that Walmart US topped $100 billion. That's coming in at about $105 billion. Walmart's advertising business, interestingly, generated more than $2 billion for the full year. The company is giving guidance that reiterates what it told us previously, but it is above consensus. Walmart's U.S. comparable sales, ex-fuel, were up 5.6%. That does match estimates. Transactions grew a little more than 3% as part of this comp sales metric. So while some of this is certainly inflation, there is unit growth in here as well. And net U.S. e-commerce sales, though, just up 1%. Up 70% over 2 years, but perhaps we've got more folks going back to those Walmart stores. I spoke with Walmart CFO Brett Biggs, who said the retailer is taking steps to, quote, manage the price gaps, saying that we know customers are focused on inflation and we're continuing to watch key item pricing to ensure that we help them through this. But this type of environment plays to our strengths. And while he wouldn't go into too much item by item detail about pricing, Biggs did explain that Walmart has always taken a basket approach to pricing. And he said, quote, we're still investing into rollbacks and other opening price point type items, making sure that we're sharp on those items. Now, gross margin did grow 54 basis points in the U.S., and Biggs said that Walmart had about $400 million more in supply chain related costs than it planned for the quarter. Separately, there was also $300 million more of unexpected COVID leave costs as Omicron peaked during the quarter. He ended the conversation by saying, quote, I've never been more optimistic about where the business is and the business model that I see developing over the next few years. You can see Walmart shares here in the early going up just about 1.5% in reaction, now about 1%. Becky?